Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a Python program that shows how to declare inheritance using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have here a class vehicle, dev, move, self, and then display, no? We have your vehicle is moving, class car vehicle, inheritance already, dev, move, self, car is driving. So here, we create an object here, vehicle, using if else statement, car, and then the title of our program, vehicle using inheritance in Python. This comment calls the base class method that is move. This one, vehicle is moving. Okay, and then calls the overwritten method in the derived class and then end of program. Thank you for using this program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our PyCharm. Let us right click and then click run vehicle. Okay, our program is running right now. Vehicle using inheritance in Python. Vehicle is moving, car is driving, and a program. Thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on vehicle using inheritance principle in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.